Meaning of Estée Lauder.
Estée Lauder.
Estée Lauder.
Estée Lauder.
Estée Lauder. Estée Lauder is a brand name that refers to a well-known American cosmetics company. The company was founded by Estée Lauder and her husband Joseph Lauder in 1946, with a focus on high-quality skincare and makeup products. The name Estée Lauder is derived from the founder's own name, and it has become synonymous with the company's reputation for luxury and elegance. Today, Estée Lauder continues to be a major player in the cosmetics industry, with a wide range of products available globally through department stores and other retailers.